Dog.
Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Grandma Teresa's Story Time. Today I'm reading Sharon's Dog. Let's get started, shall we? Mama and Sharon go shopping. A long dog, says Sharon. Sweet thing. If I had a dog like that, I would jump and dance and sing. Sorry, my dearest, says Mama, but dogs are a bit of a hassle. They need cleaning and feeding and caring for, just like a prince in a castle. Now Sharon is disappointed. She dreams of a dog of her own. And guess what she sees in the trees by the driveway, just as her family drives home? Not a dog, but a bunch of balloons that the wind had blown into a tree. Daddy, says Sharon, please, can you bring one down for me? Did you know these are special balloons? Papa climbs up and brings one of them down. You can make them into all kinds of shapes, like a frog, or a bird, or a clown. Guess which animal Sharon will make? It isn't a duck. It isn't a snake. Let's read on and see which animal this balloon will be. You know what it is. Yes, you bet. Sharon's making herself a dog for a pet. She gives it a name. This is Robbie. She takes care of Robbie all day. She feeds him and cleans him and never forgets to leave time for rest and for play. What a responsible little girl, says Mama. Papa also agrees. The next day, Sharon comes home. She cannot believe what she sees. A dog of my own? A real dog this time? I love it, says Sharon. It's sweet. She also says thank you, of course. But there's someone her dog needs to meet. This is Robbie, says Sharon. And now we need to find you a name too. Tell me, what name would you give it if the dog belonged to you?